Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video you will learn how we can make the cinematic intro or cinematic editing for INSHOT. No one made a video on this and it really baffled me because I think it's really easy to do and I want to show you the whole process. The first thing you want to do is to click on a video. Have your video here. I have a wall that we are going to make a cinematic intro in. And as you can see, the wall is here. The first thing we need to change is our bars. So I'm going here to our menu to background. I will change background to black color to have a really good cinematic feeling, right? Now what I'm going to do, I can also change the filter if I would like, but we are not going to do that right now. Or natural is fine. Now what you want to do is to add a text. And right here, intro. Now let's make it bigger. Okay. The color is fine. Yep, black is fine, I think. Okay, now you can also change the font. But I really like the Bebas. The Bebas is really cool, I think. And now the most important thing is the transition. So, this is the fade in that will be here. Okay, let's try this one. And out will be fade out. Or I don't know, going up. Or zoom out. Zoom out is better. So this is going to be zoom in. Or coming in and zoom out. So we got it. You can see it here when I'm clicking. This is out and this is in that you can do. Now let's put fine. And let's make it like this. Let's play it. We can make it much shorter. Okay. Text. Let's make it like here. And let's also edit our video like here. I don't know, 5 seconds is enough. Let's see how it looks like. Yep. Okay. So this is how we get a cinematic intro. Now what you want to do is to add a music here. So the fourth thing is the music. Now what you can do is, okay, effects. You can make the transition 4. Let's use it. But what you want to do first is to get rid of the noise of your original audio, I mean video. So let's click on it. Let's put it to 0. Let's play it. And now let's go again to effects, transition, and let's hear some. Oh, it's not downloading, oh my god. We need something like this. Can be so good if it will load. I do have internet. Why it's not working? Oh, this is fine. So let's play it. Yep. You can use whatever effects you want to do. I recommend using the transition ones because they're the best. So delete this. I want to use it. Transition, this one. and I will need to edit it. I need to put it on the end of my here. So again, like this. Look, let's play it. Amazing. Like, wasn't this great? This was such a good video. I love it. So this is how we can make the cinematic intro and cinematic edits. If this video was helpful, you can really support me and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. I love making videos like these. So that's kind of it. Thank you very much, everybody. If you have any questions about editing, write it in the comments and I will help you. Thank you and goodbye.